In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to verify age on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app, then navigate to your profile page, then click on the settings icon given at the top right. If Snapchat requires age verification, you will usually see a prompt or notification asking you to confirm your age. Tap on it to begin the verification process. In most cases, Snapchat will ask you to submit a valid form of identification, such as government issued ID or passport, to confirm your date of birth. Make sure the information you enter matches your ID exactly. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to upload your document clearly. Ensure the photo is not blurry and all the details are visible, as unclear submissions may get rejected. After submitting your information, Snapchat will review your request. This process may take some time, so be patient while they verify your details. Once approved, your age will be updated on your account automatically. If you don't see this option inside the app, you can also try visiting Snapchat's official support page and submitting an age verification request from there. And that's it. This is how you can easily verify age on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.